Welcome back to Gadget Nest. Today we're diving into Apple's latest and greatest, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With a new A18 Pro chip, upgraded cameras, and stunning titanium build, is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Let's find out. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's premium design language with aerospace-grade titanium, flat edges, and a polished finish. It's lighter yet stronger than the stainless steel models of previous years. The new color options, desert titanium, space black, natural titanium, and white titanium, are absolutely gorgeous. It's also IP68 water and dust resistant, ensuring durability. You get a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion 120 Hz and up to 2800 nits peak brightness. The brightest iPhone display ever. HDR content looks incredible, and scrolling feels buttery smooth. Powered by the new A18 Pro chip built on a 3nm process, this iPhone delivers unmatched speed and efficiency. Gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven features are faster than ever. iOS 18 introduces customizable widgets, smarter Siri, and enhanced AI photo editing tools. The triple camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor with improved low-light performance, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a new 5x telephoto zoom exclusive to Pro Max. Video now supports 8K recording, and the new Photonic Engine 2.0 brings richer colors and sharper details. Apple claims up to 2 extra hours of battery life compared to last year's model. You get 35 watts fast charging via USB-C, MagSafe wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging for your AirPods or Apple Watch. Pros: premium titanium build, incredible display, top-tier performance, versatile cameras, longer battery life. Cons: expensive, minimal design changes compared to iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's most advanced iPhone yet, but is it worth the upgrade? If you value cutting-edge performance, premium build, and one of the best smartphone cameras, the answer is yes. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews here on Gadget Nest.